Hey, hello everyone. So today I will be demonstrating Amazon scraping tool. Mainly three features I will be demonstrating today. As you can see on the screen, the first one is to get the beauty department data, the complete all the products inside the beauty department. Second one is to get details for provided ASINs. You will see a few details for the provided ASIN list which user has to pass. Third feature is get all ASINs for a given seller ID. So user just have to provide a seller ID and you will get the list of all the ASINs along with few other details in the CSV file. So the first one, let's run the first feature. For the to make this demonstration short, I haven't scraped all the products inside the beauty department because there are 70,000 plus products, I would say, and yeah, it will take some time to scrape all of them. So for the sake of this demo, I just scrapped first 10 products, and yeah, if you have a requirement to scrape other departments, that can also be included. This is a very basic demo, MVP product. So let's go with the first demo. So user just have to select which operation he has to perform. So let me type 1 and press enter. So yeah, the process has started. You can see the Amazon web page has opened and it has navigating to first product, scraping all the required data on this page, and then it will navigate to the next product, do scrape all the data present on that page, and yeah, like that it will continue for the first 10 products and create a CSV file. So let's wait for some time. Now the latency and the delay depends on how good your internet connection is. Yeah, so web page loading takes some time to, and that varies from your internet connection speed. Yeah, but if the performance can be improved, yeah. If you are not interested to watch this robot control Chrome browser, yeah, you can, I mean, the user can also select option to not see this window. So in the background it will basically open the browser and navigate to each product and scrape the data present on that web page. That option is available. Yeah, but to just make this demo more interactive and more transparent, I enable that option to, yeah, to see this window. Yeah, so this will this feature will scrape the text data as well as the images present for that product. All the images will go to a separate folder, and yeah, so it creates the folder with name ASIN ID, and inside that folder it just paste the image. So yeah, all the images have not been downloaded, only the main image it downloads. Yeah, but if user is interested in all the images, yeah, we can also download all the images here. Yeah, so it is a bit slower as my internet connection is not up to the mark. Yeah, so in parallel we can scrape 5 products at a time. Right now that concurrency limit is set to 1. Yeah, but yeah, this can be done in parallel. Okay, so yeah, it has finished with his job, and you can see the log here. Output can be found at this location, and it has created this CSV file. So let's go to this location and see whether it has scraped the data and images correctly. So I'm going to this location, the output folder, and you can see one folder for images and one for the scraped data. Let's take a look on the images folder. You can see it has created one folder for each ASIN ID. Let's check the images. Yeah, so it has correctly downloaded that image. Okay, so this is fine. Let's go back and check this CSV file. You can see it has scrapped the first 10 products on that yeah, in this beauty department. Yeah, so L0 to L5 with 5 levels it has scrapped. Product title it has scrapped. Then selling price, seller, sold by vendor basically. Then about this item, ASIN ID, dimension, and various other details. Brand, manufacturer. Yeah, few of the columns will be empty because all the columns may not be relevant to all the products. So you will see a lot of many empty columns in this CSV. So in this CSV we have included all the columns, universal list of columns applicable for beauty department. So you can see all these details. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you got the essence here. Let me close this file and move on to the next feature demo. Yeah, next feature is scrap the basic details for the provided ASIN ID. So I have some sample ASINs already with me. Let me pick one and show you a demo for feature number 2. So I will press 2 here, and it will ask me to enter the comma separated ASIN ID. If you have multiple ASINs, then you can just provide it with a comma separated, but yeah, I'm providing only one ASIN here, so no need to put a comma, and press enter. Yeah, it will be opening that product display page, and yeah, it has already scrapped it, and you can see the output location. Inside output folder it has created this CSV file. Let's check this file, ASIN basic details.csv. Yeah, so we provided one ASIN, so it has there is one row here, and you can see all the details it has scrapped. The first row is the headers basically. Seller price, sold by, ASIN ID. Yeah, these are the basic details I have scrapped for now, but if user is interested in more details, then yeah, we can also scrap more details as per the user requirement. Closing this file, and let's go ahead and see the next feature. Third feature is get all ASINs for a given seller ID. Okay, so user just have to provide a seller ID or seller IDs with a comma separated if multiple seller IDs, and yeah, it will fetch all the ASINs corresponding to that seller ID. Okay, I have example seller ID with me. I will copy that, and yeah, let's select the third option. It will ask user to please provide a seller ID. I am just pasting this example seller ID here and press enter. It will open the browser, go to the relevant page on Amazon website, scrap, navigate all the pages present on the website for the given seller ID. You can see it is navigating to the next page and scraping all the details. Now you can see the log here, output location. In output folder, ASIN list underscore seller ID.csv. Let's check that file, ASIN list and seller ID. Yeah, so you can see the ASIN ID, you can see, and the product title. So I only script two columns here, but if user is again requirement in specific columns, we can provide that as well. So you can see all the 37 ASINs for the given seller ID. Okay, let me close this file. Yeah, and so we are done with the demo here. Now this is a minimum viable product. If user is interested in any specific feature, for example, user just want a price with respect to provided ASIN IDs, then that can also be done. So yeah, any custom requirement user has, we are ready to implement and provide the custom product for them. And yeah, that's what I wanted to present as a part of this demo. Feel free to reach out to me if you guys are interested to know more details. Thank you for watching this demo. Thanks for your patience.